Hey there, welcome back. I am Mark and I'm going to be drawing Frankenstein today. So this is a pretty easy beginner drawing. So all you have to do is follow my steps. Whenever you need a little bit more time, just hit that pause button, get to speed, continue, and then you can hit that play button to continue. In the middle of my page, closer to the top, I'm going to start with Frankenstein's forehead. So I'm just going to draw a slight curve on both sides that come down something like this. So this is going to be the width of his head. And then right over here, we're going to do an eyebrow shape. So this is going to kind of hook over. And then we're going to come to about the center of our page, just shy of the center. So we're going to come down and then we're going to wrap this up like that. And then on this side, this one's going to be a little bit higher up. It's going to be kind of curved like this. And then we'll do a second line from here that comes down. And then this is going to kind of hook up like that. From here, we'll do two eyeballs. So this eye is going to be coming on the left side. We're going to come down and up like this. So you're going to lose part of the top of that circle in this eyebrow that's kind of hanging over the eyeball. And then on this side, we'll try to draw that same shape, the same size, and we'll kind of come down from here. And if you want to do this one a little bit bigger, it's okay. If they're not exact, that's totally fine. But this one will do the same thing. We won't see the perfect circle. It'll kind of keep going up. Now we'll do the little pupil right here. I'll do one there, and I'll do another one on the left side of this eye here. All right. Now on the left side, just below this brow shape, we're going to come down and to the left. And we're going to extend and draw like this cheekbone. And we're going to do the same on this side. We're going to come in towards the left. We're going to kind of come down, and this cheekbone is going to be like this. Now they don't have to be exactly the same and parallel and all that. They can be a little bit off. Now come down in the middle and we're going to draw his nose. So we're going to do a little shape on this side. And then this is going to kind of hook and flatten a little bit. And then down below, we're going to come down and then round the lower section. And this is going to come up. And then you're going to see the other side of the nose like that. Now just below that, we can create two little lines that are going to be just above the lip of the mouth. And then we can draw the mouth. So right here, I'm going to draw a line at a slight angle, and then this is going to come down. So his mouth's going to be wider on the right side. So then when I'll round the left corner, and then we'll just have this kind of coming across and then round and connect back up like that. Then the lower lip, I'll just draw a little line like this. And I'll do another shape right over here. And then we'll draw the lower jaw now. So from the left side, we'll come inside of his cheekbone right here. And we're gonna kind of come down again like this. And right when you get below the mouth line, you can come and angle in towards the center of our head. Now you don't want to come too far down the center. So if the center is right around here, you want to be a little bit over to the right. So as you come down, this can kind of bend. And then this will be flat, somewhat flat down there. Then on this side, we'll round this just a little bit. And then this shape right here on the side of the lip, we're going to do another one, but this one's going to be way out over here. It's going to kind of cut through that edge and hook back. You want to be somewhat in line with this lower lip right here. Then come inside right about here and round and connect. All right, the next thing I'll do is I'll add an ear. So we're gonna come just below this brow. And we're coming down here because we're gonna go up and then down. And we wanna meet right about here, just where the nose is. So we're gonna come up, round this down, and then this will just curve like that. And then we can create a hook like this, and then a shape like that. It's almost like a backwards 6 or the letter D that has a little curve at the top of it. Then we'll go to the right ear. Again, we'll come up like this, and we're gonna wanna try to be right around that same area, right about here. And then this will come up and we'll round that like this. And then on this side, we could just create this little curve like that. All right, now that we have that lower section, we're gonna come up and finish off his hair. So right around here, I'm gonna start on this side, I'm gonna hook in, and then we're gonna create these little V shapes. So this will be like strands of hair. And then we can curl these to the other side. And we'll just keep going until we have enough hair that fills in like that. And then this is gonna come up, and his hair is gonna be fairly flat. It's not gonna be too thick up there. And hook this over to the left and come up like that. And then we'll just do a few more little hair shapes like that. And then these ones will go over to the right. And then we'll have the last one right there. All right, and now we'll put in a scar on his head. So I'm just gonna draw a line that has a little bit of a curve to it. And then I'm gonna come up like this. And then for the scar, we're gonna do the little stitches. So we'll just draw these little shapes that kind of come across like that. And kind of keep that cut closed off. All right, and then we'll draw a couple little shapes inside of his head. So I'm just gonna do a little curve right here. And then I'm gonna do this little line that comes out. And then I'll draw a round elliptical shape like this, almost like a C. And then at the top, I'm gonna have this go over the top and bottom, these two flat lines. And then we'll do another elliptical shape. So we'll follow this C shape, this curve, and we'll just do another circular shape, so this elliptical shape like that. And then we'll do the same thing on this side. We're gonna draw a curve right here, and then this is kind of coming over to the left. And then we'll just do everything in reverse. So we have like this backwards C that has like this flat top and bottom. And then we're gonna finish off with an elliptical shape like that. All right, so now we can add a highlight. So I'm just gonna do these two little highlight shapes right there. Okay, so next step, I'm gonna use my ink pen and outline my Frankenstein. Next, you can grab an eraser and erase all of the pencil lines. Well, if yours didn't turn out like mine did, all you have to do is head down to the description, click the link that I provided for you, and you can download my free coloring page and have a lot of fun coloring in, which is what I'm doing right now. So enjoy. Well, there you go, guys. A spooky Frankenstein for Halloween. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. I do videos every weekday. And until the next one, I'll see you then. Bye-bye.